today is going to be a fun day. We're gonna head to KAYLEE'S house. This is the first time she has ever had her own like really big tree. She has done some things to it. It's already up, put together, fluffed up. She's already got lights on it, and she's got some ornaments on it, but I have loaded up this car. Over the last several days, I have just been picking up things here and there as I'm out and about. I've set aside a few things that I just want her to have on her tree as well, like ornaments that we've had for a long time. So the only thing is I'm super bummed because I didn't get into one box of our ornaments yet, and I think it's because it's with the gift wrapping stuff. Anyhow, she's got plenty. Like I said, I loaded up the back of the car and it is full. So I am on my way to Dallas right now. I've got to stop at the post office. I've got my bag here. I've actually got my decorating apron because it has pockets and it makes it so much easier, especially because a lot of the ornaments I have are new, which means that we're gonna have to go in there and put the little hooks on them, which can be such a pain in the butt. So we got that. So post office, and then I want to grab a Starbucks. I would like to drink a peppermint mocha on my way. It's about a 35-ish minute drive. So I'm gonna do that, enjoy a nice hot cup of coffee, peppermint mocha, my absolute favorite. I did ask Kaylee if she wanted me to bring her one, and she's already drinking her own version of peppermint mocha with eggnog. I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna enjoy this, so let's get this day going. We are here at KAYLEE'S. You want to say hi? Hi! All the things are in. Meet Echo. Say hi. Hi, buddy. It's a good boy. It is a good boy. He's so precious. Yes, you are.
He like knows
oh, he's so good.
He's never really seen a camera. So he's like,
all right, here's KAYLEE'S tree. It is actually adorable.
thank you. And I know some of the there's too much blue. I know. But the thing is, Echo has tried to get some off and they've fallen, and I just put them right back on.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm gonna take them off and redo it.
Okay,
So-
well, let's just, so what we're gonna do is I have a lot of stuff. I just need to go over a lot of this stuff with Kaylee, see what she actually likes in here. We've got a couple of star options. We've got all kinds of ornaments, all the things. So let's go ahead and and she gets the moose.
Yay!
Kind of her thing. I know, it's really big. All right, we're gonna stick you on a time lapse. Let's decorate this tree. We have so many things to choose from. All right, so now we just need to put some hooks. Got these hooks right here. We need to put them on the ornaments and get everything. We're gonna start trimming the tree. Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get to it.
We have Auntie Miley on ours too. No.
We do, for the record.
She bought Cruella, even though it was $30 to get that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it was $30 to get it.
Dang. Oh, the Santa Claus!
Oh.
It was down there. It is on here!
Yay!
Okay. here's where we are at, and it looks so beautiful. And this tree is so packed. There's so much. So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. We're gonna go get some flowers for up here, kind of cover this up. We're gonna get white flowers, and then we're also going to get a white, some kind of a tree skirt. It might be a table runner, it could be a tablecloth, we'll see. But this looks so good. I love it. Love the way it's coming out. There's just about no more room for what we have left. We've made a pretty good dent over here though. We did not use any of these bowls. Kaylee already had a bunch. The only other thing, so this was the second, what's it called? Star. Goodness. This star we'll probably put on Robbie's tree, and then right here we're not going to use those because there's literally so many snowflakes. So this kind of became a snowflake tree, and we love it. Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. It looks perfect.
Yeah.
Better in my in person than in my head.
Yeah. Well, we didn't really have like a true vision of what it was going to look like. It's just kind of come together. So we're going to go and get a few things.
And take a look at my nachos.
Oh, wow. That's a whole thing right there.
Well, it's layered because who wants nachos with all the chips at the bottom?
Yay.
Nobody.
Okay. We've cleared the table, and it's lunchtime. These look so good.
Nachos.
Yum. All right, we are on our way to another part of Dallas. We're gonna go to the dollar store and see if we can get a couple of things there. And then possibly beignets.
Oh, okay, yeah, we gotta do that. Come on, we gotta do that. That's on the top of the list. But we're also gonna see what we find, and now that the tree is set up, I feel like our vibe is we can kind of get whatever we want as long as it's around the same color scheme. Because it looks so good.
It's so easy.
Yeah. So all
right,
it's gonna be good.
We're gonna do some shopping and maybe some good food eating, and then yeah, we're doing good. All right, so that was a no-go. We'll try another place.
Yeah, but we got all the elves wiped us out before we could get there, so we're gonna try.
Yeah, that was pretty picked over. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we have a lot of other options.
Yes.
To go to the right.
We ended up going to so many different places, and at one point Kaylee would just hop out of the car just to see if it was even worth parking and running in and seeing what they had. There are holiday things out there, but we were looking for very specific things, items for her tree. So a lot of it was picked over, but we were able to find some goodies, as you'll see. But I was very shocked at how little Dallas actually had. We just popped into Kaylee's apartment so she could go to the bathroom. We were literally driving right past. So we went to Ross, and the line was ridiculous. So we put back what we got. It wasn't worth the line that we waited in. She found a blanket and a pillow, but I'm like, we can get that anywhere else. So we are now gonna go to Michael's. We did go to a couple dollar stores too. We went to a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree, and they didn't have anything. Like, everything here is completely wiped out. I'm like, dang, where I'm at, they have everything like full stock. At least they did a couple days ago. So we are now gonna head to Michael's, and hopefully we'll be able to find the tree topper and whatever, something for the skirt. I found a Michael's. It's 10 minutes away. Is that fine?
Yes, that's good.
Okay, you feel better?
Yeah, yeah.
When we walked into Michael's, it was like, yes, this is what we were looking for. Everything was nice and neat, and you were able to find exactly what we needed.
So we've got a nice happy holiday. We've got these two little things, and this is gonna go on the top, right?
Yeah.
The worst thing just happened to us.
We drove all the way here, and this place right there
It's supposed to be open.
supposed to be open. They're closed.
Rude.
We're so upset. So we both went to pull the door open because you couldn't tell that they were closed. And we went to pull the door open. It didn't open. We both went, oh. I'm so sad.
It's okay. They had a camera, and I told them that I was very upset.
Yeah.
Well,
I have one very similar to that. I just bought at Costco.
yeah, like these on both sides of my couches. So freaking cute. They're only $20.
Yeah. Okay, stay focused. Sheets. Let's see. Sheets or shower curtains work too, or table runners or tablecloths. Here are the goods Kaylee got. A blanket. So this is actually gonna work as a double situation because it's gonna be the tree skirt, but then it's also gonna be her blanket. After, exactly. Okay. Yay. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I know. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, there goes his tail. We are done. Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. It's literally amazing.
Yeah. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love the colors. I love everything about it.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
It's very you.
Yeah.
I feel like it's very you.
Tying in the white really.
And the
made it,
white, yeah. I
Yes,
think it
blanket.
totally pulled in, like going from the white up here and then rounding it out with the white on the bottom. That just makes it everything. And this is a throw blanket. So she'll be able to use it on her couch as her throw blanket.
If I ever decide to take down the tree, ever, but we got some little cute messages here and this. Never thought to put like random things other than ornaments on the tree, but really,
telling
it
ya.
adds so much. Like this little house, tray, got my elf legs.
Yeah, no, it's adorable.
It's super sparkly. The pictures, like video doesn't even do it justice.
I know, it really doesn't.
Because we've got like jewel accents everywhere. We got these little jewels in the midst of it. Little snowflakes hiding in the back.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Good job, Kaylee.
No,
Good job.
good job, Mom.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for spending the day with us. We had fun. Kaylee has a beautiful new tree forever and ever.
Yes.
Thanks
No, I
for
just
letting
need a-
thanks for letting me do it.
No, thanks for making my vision come to life.
All right, guys. Thanks again for spending the day with us. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, I would love it if you did. Bye, guys.